Today we will be talking about the Venus signification, Bollywood suffering. Aishwarya Rai, Amitabh Bachchan, Dev Gun, Ajay Devgun are all suffering. They are in hot waters due to tax evasion case of Panama. And my predictions are proving spot on. I've written an article, my predictions spot on for celebrities after Venus retrogrades. Aishwarya Rai, Amitabh Bachchan, Ajay Devgun in hot waters in tax evasion case. I had written this article, Venus, the goddess of beauty and love, ingresses in Capricorn on the 8th December 2021, overstays for 112 days and fallen in Sagittarius for 59 days, most venomous. It is parallel situations like 2013 and 14 when we had 8 years back when we had Venus overstay in Capricorn for 116 days, and then we had the virus Ebola which spread, but then Venus was not with Saturn or Mars. Now at the time of ingress in Capricorn it is with Saturn, and then again when it is fallen it will meet Mars. So this transit is going to be more critical than the previous transit, and there may be virus surge, there may be people in the Bollywood industry and will be suffering, especially in the age group of 24, 32, 48, 54, multiple of 8, and those people also who have debilitated Jupiter and a Venus affliction. Both these people, especially in the Bollywood, they will be suffering. A known personality may suffer the most, as mentioned, and Amitabh Bachchan is a known personality. I wrote this article on the 2nd of December, and you can see for yourself. I mentioned before, not even a single astrologer has talked about this Venus overstay and compared it with 2013 and 14 and made any predictions, because in Parashar, planet which is fallen is not considered. They do not consider a planet which is fallen, whereas as per the South Indian classics, a fallen planet is just like a car going up the hill, and when it reverses, it loses motion and then reverses without brakes and falls from height. So you can expect what this planet can give. It can first give very good results, and then when it falls it can give the worst results. And if it is connected to the 10th house, then you get bad name and fame in the profession. So look what I wrote in this article, some important text. Venus is in the natural zodiac is the lord of the 2nd and 7th lord, and both these houses are connected to marriage. Venus is also Marka, the lord of the 2nd and 7th house. The Mool Trigona sign is Libra. Venus exalts in Pisces and debilitates in Virgo at 28 degrees. So these signs become very important, and those especially for Bollywood, and also represented by, because Venus represents the Bollywood, it seems that 112 days transit, especially the transit from the day Venus goes in retrogression and falls in the sign Sagittarius on the 30th December to 27th February 2022 will be most venomous and most, crucial for the Bollywood industry and the signification of Venus. Signification of Venus is also the auto industry, automobiles, aircrafts. So all these things, the scams relating to that can also be exposed, because it is falling back in the 8th house of the India Foundation chart. So the Rafale case can also throw some light may also be thrown on the Rafale case. The signification of Venus will suffer the most who have afflicted Venus, and as I mentioned, and especially the Bollywood, the celebrities, the politicians, the celebrities, the high-ranking people. It has been observed whenever Venus under affliction for India, whenever the Taurus Scorpio sign is afflicted, the Cancer Capricorn sign is afflicted, and then it is time for agony and pain for the country. On the 27th February 2022, all these combinations take place, and Venus lost in planetary war with Mars, and Venus will be activated So, and Venus and Mars is the 12th and the 7th lord. Espionage, religious fundamentalism, and warlike situations could also be there in the country. Terrorism, border clashes, and scams in the Bollywood are not ruled out. Some celebrity in the Bollywood may suffer separation in the marriage also. Some scams may be exposed, especially those who are having affliction to Jupiter and Venus may be involved in some evasion of tax or some wealth related issues. Venus is luxury and Jupiter is wealth. So you can just imagine what will happen. Now read this news which comes exactly after 19th of December 2021 when Venus goes in retrogression. My predictions prove spot on, which have been made much in advance. Panama paper leak. Aishwarya Rai, Amitabh Bachchan and Ajay Devgan names crop up in the tax evasion case. Now, Aishwarya Rai is born on the 1st November 1973. She has debilitated Jupiter and then Venus is afflicted by Rahu in the sign Sagittarius. She is bound to be in trouble and she was under questioning for 6 hours by the income tax authorities. So, you can see for yourself my prediction proves spot on. And even for Amitabh Bachchan, he is going to touch the 80th year will run. Now 80th year running, so Venus also comes into play and his Venus is debilitated in the 8th house. So he is also involved in a scam related to wealth. You can see for yourself what all is happening in the country, but the family is in trouble. 48th year of Aishwarya Rai, born on 1st November 1973. Jupiter, Venus under affliction. Now, Jaya Bachchan comments in the parliament, "Your bad days are coming. I curse you." Jaya Bachchan lashes out in the Rajya Sabha. I wrote on the Facebook, as Venus goes in retrogression on the 19th December 2021, my prediction for Bollywood star seems coming true. Venus will fall for 59 days from the 30th December to 27th February, and then Mars will activate Venus on the same day, and there will be planetary war between the two. Wait for the time frame when the dance of the planets will be seen. The influence on the Bollywood with intensity. 112 days Venus will trouble and give adverse results for the Bollywood in totality as predicted on my website. Astrology is amazing. 27th February 2000, prone to Mars activation of Venus, most critical for celebrities in the Bollywood, of course, for virus spread and especially for Omicron. It can mutate also. We have parallel planetary positions now, and variant Omicron has come from South Africa and seems scary and may mutate after Venus goes in retrogression on the 19th December 2021, and it may surge in geometrical progression. In a nutshell, till 30th March 2022 until Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio, the virus may be a hanging fire, and after 8th February 2023, the virus may totally disappear since it is parallel to the swine flu when we had the stars exchange between the Rahu and Ketu. Taking a positive stance after 17th March to 30th March and 29th April to 22nd, there could be some relief from the virus. But the present conditions are most venomous and there could be lockdowns, there could be cancellation in the flights because Venus is falling on the 30th. So right from the Christmas time, because Christmas is also signified by Venus, right from the Christmas time and then we have the Avrohi Kal Sarp Yoga from the 16th December to 24th of April. It's the most prone time, and when Venus is under affliction, we could have war-like situation with our neighbors. China is going aggressive and he can fight, he can have ugly relations with Taiwan, He can have ugly relations with US, with India, and Ukraine and Russia, and similarly other countries like Israel, etc., may also pump in. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share that the planetary positions in the end of the year are most venomous, unlike 2020 and 21, who are also very bad, but the start was not bad. Here, the start is extremely bad, and you talk about anything, it is not good in totality. So, this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.